Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Pandey. I came in iTpreneur to complete UI UX development course, and after that I got to my first job from iTpreneur as a front end developer, and where I did React Native course, and after that I again feel to upgrade my coding skills, so I joined Java Core and Java Advanced course. After that I got my second job, and now few months ago I feel to get knowledge of some more languages like Python, and to upgrade my previous language to get good job and good confidence. So I got my third job from IT. Thank you.